Click on the link below to get discount. The smart fully automatic shoe sole cleaner is a game changer for anyone who values clean footwear. This intelligent induction water brush is designed to provide an effortless and efficient cleaning experience, and it more than delivers on its promises. Upon unboxing, the sleek design of the cleaner is immediately appealing. It fits well with modern home aesthetics and doesn't take up much space. The automatic functionality is where this product truly shines. With an intelligent induction system, it activates as soon as you place a shoe on the designated pad, eliminating the need for buttons or manual operation. This hands-free approach ensures you can multitask while achieving spotless soles. The cleaner is equipped with powerful water jets that effectively dislodge dirt and grime from even the most stubborn stains. Its dual brush system is soft enough to protect delicate materials while being tough on grime. I was particularly impressed with its ability to handle various shoe types, from sneakers to dress shoes, without causing any damage. The rotating brushes adapt to the shoe's contours, ensuring a comprehensive clean. One noteworthy feature is the integrated drainage system that allows for easy disposal of dirty water, making the entire process mess-free. The cleaner also boasts an energy-efficient design, which is a significant plus for environmentally conscious consumers. In terms of performance, this shoe sole cleaner exceeded my expectations. In just a few minutes, my shoes looked as good as new, saving me time and effort compared to traditional cleaning methods. The noise level is surprisingly low, allowing it to be used in bustling households without causing disruption. However, it's important to note that while the product is excellent, it may require occasional maintenance to keep the brushes in top condition. Overall, the smart fully automatic shoe sole cleaner is a worthy investment for anyone looking to maintain their shoes effortlessly. It combines convenience, efficiency, and modern technology seamlessly, making it an essential tool for shoe enthusiasts.